What's up, you guys? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween, where I do a new makeup look every single day in October. Today's look is No Face from Spirited Away, so let's jump right into it. I'm going to show you how I build this mouth. It's completely out of Model Magic, which is an air drying clay which is made for kids, but basically I wrapped it around a wire and shaped it to where it's going to fit around my neck as a necklace for the lower jaw, and then for the upper jaw I used the same concept, but I put these circles on the edges of it, and those are going to hang on my ears kind of like glasses. And then with the fabric that I'm going to be wearing, I am gluing it to the actual Model Magic, so that way it has somewhere to hold on to. But the bottom jaw is just going to sit right around my neck as a necklace. As you can see right here, you can tell that I have hot glued the upper jaw to the fabric, and the wire is actually just hanging on my ears, and then the lower jaw I have adjusted to make it even with the upper jaw. As for the tongue, it's the same stuff, Model Magic, and we are going to paint it pink and start painting the rest of the mouth accordingly as well. We are going to paint the inside of the mouth completely black. That is going to give us the illusion that the mouth is actually coming out of the neck. And then the gums are going to be red. Keep the teeth white, obviously. And then slip in the tongue last thing. I didn't catch that until I just said it. But we're going to keep it, okay? Slip the tongue right there. Perfect. All right, now we got to put on the mask. Now, as you probably guessed, our vision is going to be slightly impaired. We're just going to be looking through peripherals, so have a friend help you with the mask. I'm having my friend Josh help me polish this mask as I paint my arms completely black to blend in with the costume. And then No Face actually does have some hair when he is in this huge giant form, so we bought a wig and we're just going to sit it on top of the mask as well as the back of my head. Also, your one little peephole that you're peeking out of, make sure you paint that black as well. Dang it, I got more makeup on my mask. Thanks, Josh. Alright, so once the wig is on, get yourself some Hershey Kisses or something gold, and you're about done, you guys. This is No Face. I would not recommend going out and walking around in this because it's really hard to see, but you did it. Thanks for watching 31 Days of Halloween. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.